So Sanjay, it's indeed our pleasure to have you with us. Guys, please welcome Sanjay. He's one of the most humble the guys who is doing a lot for community. He is the inventor and creator for two of the most wonderful tools, CrowPath and Selectors Hub. Selectors Hub is really wonderful. Currently, we are doing something called as Locator Challenge, which has been a great success in last 3-4 weeks. We are hosting another one soon. All credit goes to Sanjay for doing that. Amazing personality, amazing humbleness, a lot of work that he's doing for community. So warm welcome to you, Sanjay. Should we basically start and we can ask you to quickly talk about the topic and talk about something which we would like to know about you.
Thank you so much, Aditya, for having me here. And it's a great pleasure and honor for me to be a part of this conference. And I'm looking forward to it. Really thankful. And it's a great pleasure.
Yeah. So Sanjay, it is the fifth edition for ATA GTR 2020, and you are a esteemed speaker, and you have a wonderful topic that you're going to talk about. So I'm not highlighting that. Would it be possible for you to just say what it is? And it's an amazing, interesting one, just like what you always do, very creative stuff. So we want to hear about what you would be talking about in ATA GTR 2020.
Yes, definitely. So, since last few years, I have been I mean, as a creator and inventor, I have many times I heard. In fact, I was also having this fear that if we will use any automation tool, will we lose our skills? And that fear is always there. So, I wanted to talk about that thing upfront, what will happen if you use an automation tool, whether really we lose the skill or not. So that is something I'm looking forward, and I really wanted to discuss with the community and with everyone in this upcoming ATA conference. And definitely it is going to really good topic, and what ideas we are going to talk about, and how millions of people across the globe, and why people are adopting few of my innovations immediately, and how they are getting benefited out of it, and what is the fear exactly behind using an automation tool, losing a skill. Is that really happened or what? So that dilemma, that confusion, I'm sure I would be able to help people with my ideas and whatever we will discuss together. So yeah, looking forward to
Yeah,
at
yeah,
least
very
solve
interesting.
this.
I think yeah, we would all love to hear whether we would lose our skills by using automation tool or not. I am sure that there would be many. Everybody would like to, in fact, rather be part of this session, wonderful session. So we're looking forward to this one. So in general, can we have another small chit chat because there is a lot of technical stuff we keep on talking about. So this is
Yeah,
one forum for the speaker, invited speakers, and everybody else that we wanted to make sure that we do a little chit chat, right? So are you comfortable spending another
lovely.
5 minutes with us?
Yeah, definitely, Adit. Sure.
Sure.
Please
So,
continue.
Sanjay, what keeps you going? I know that creating something new is one of your passions, but we want to hear what keeps you going, what motivates you, what is your success mantra? How do you make sure that you keep on doing things what you like?
Yeah, so earlier it was I would say my motive, I mean, in our life, our motivation keep changing at the life stages, and the role we keep with the roles, like what kind of roles we are holding and at what stage of life we are. So for me right now, my passion and my motivation is problems, what peoples are having the problem, and how can I solve the problems for the beginners, for the community, for the people, like what with those kind of problems, for a very small example, like whole world, and for all the technologies, we were having the smart editor, but we never thought, but nobody thought, we never solved that problem, that where we are spending almost 50 to 60% of time in writing locators. We were never having the smart editor for them, where it suggests the XPath function, CSS selector function while writing. So these are, I thought, them, from since so long we have the internet, we got the IntelliJ, we got so many smart editor, but why don't we have, why we are wasting so much time? So my passion, my motivation right now is the problems of my community. How can I save their time? How can I solve their problems so that they can learn something new? So that is something. And another thing is when I help people, I get the good review feedback. So that is something really motivates me right now. And whenever somebody asks me like, Sanjay, we are facing this challenge, this is not doable as of now, this is like impossible, like Centrodome selectors was always impossible. So to making those things possible, whenever I solve some problems, when I see people are like loving it, I see the smile on their face, so that's something gives me a lot of motivation to keep working hard for them. And yeah, definitely for free.
Yeah, very true. I think that is very, very true what you're speaking, and we definitely get smile whenever we see that these challenges you are able to solve so quickly. That is an amazing editor, by the way, that you have brought into the locators. Nobody else thought. So kudos to you and your thought process. We want you to keep on inventing new things and adding things into it and making one of the best tools that probably any tester or developer can use. Um,
Thank you.
yeah. On a side note, we just want to understand, do you get time to basically enjoy eating something which you like food and all, or you are deep into technology? So the question is actually related to you. What is your favorite food, and where do you
Yeah.
belong? And is there any special food that is there from your the location that you belong to, the city that you belong to?
Yes, definitely. So I belong to a like very small town of India here in UP, Uttar Pradesh, Bundelkhand. Karela is known. My place name is Karela, my native. So there, like I really love the local foods. There, we used to get. I mean, I don't know if many people heard chane ki bhaji. I really love singhara and that lotus. Makhana, something called makhana. So the raw material of makhana, I really love that. In fact, singhara I just got from the market. So right now I'm in Kanpur actually. So I really love the local food. And yes, I do get time to eat food and all. Yes, I do. I mean, spend time. But right now, yeah. So actually, for me, it's like 24/7 now, working and working because everybody like across the globe, everyone I'm helping. So and I never knows like it's not a 9 to 6 job for me. It's like 24/7 because community is from across the globe. No matter what time zone they are, they can ping me anytime. So I used to be available all the times for them. So I make sure like everybody is happy, and at the same time I try to keep myself also like involving food and everything I'm taking at the same time or not.
Yeah, yeah, very nice. I do appreciate, I do understand. And I also love makhanas and singhadas. There's another thing, the lotus stem. Is it
Yes.
something that you make some vegetable out of it? Because it's
Yeah,
sometimes
vegetable,
called
and
just
you
kamal
know that.
kakdi or something like that.
Yes. Kamal Gata we used to call here in
Yeah,
like at my place. And in fact, like Singhara, if those who people doesn't know that this is a Singhara. Actually, I
yeah,
just got
wonderful. I think you have
I
really
I
it
really
grows
love
under
this.
water and this is very, very soft inside. Very good
Yes,
fruit,
white.
I think.
Yeah,
I would say. Yeah, yeah, great
yep.
for showing that to
Really,
us.
really good one.
Do you also make food by any chance? Are you a chef? Any
Yes,
skills?
yes. Actually, yeah. I cook all the foods. Actually, I started. I started my. I was in hostel from class 10th itself. So I used to. I'm cooking food from 10th, like 10th standard. So I really cook very well food, and in fact, like my friends and all, they really love my food.
Okay, very nice.
So I can cook like any kind of food.
So when you said chane ki bhaji, what exactly can you guide us? How do you make that, Sanjay? If that's okay to ask.
Yes. So actually, this my mom cooks very well whenever I come to native, and so it's like that chane before it becomes that gram that chana
Ah, yeah.
that it has that leaves. So we took off those leaves, make it like put it in water, wash it, and uh, then in warm water put that and small little amount of flour, that atta we used to call. So put that and salt. So it's like boiling in water basically. So something like that. So see
Wow.
you.
So it is actually made from the chana leaves rather than the chana itself,
Yes.
or
Yes.
the pod. Is it made from the chana pod or is it from the leaves?
Leaves.
Wow, yeah, amazing. I
Definitely.
think wish we can actually have it sometime. Maybe we'll see how
Oh,
to, because
definitely.
we don't get to see even chane ke leaves and all. We only see the dal itself, and the green chanas are also a delicacy that we don't get it a lot in the metro
You
cities
know,
here. Yeah.
yes, definitely. In fact, like that is one of my favorite food. I used to live in Bangalore, so I
Ah,
always keep roaming around that where I will get. This year, after like almost 9 years, this year I used to get that in somewhere in Marathali. and
Wow.
me and my wife was there. So we just whatever she was having, that person who was selling that, we bought all that. She was looking at us, man, what
Yeah.
are you doing? I said like, you give me whole thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Very
yeah,
nice.
it's really crazy. But really
Great.
love that food which comes from like hometown, because
Yeah.
my I spent my childhood and like till 12th standard I was in home, I mean village area, so it is really good. I
Wow.
really love
Amazing.
those.
Yeah, yeah. Now, since you got a chance to actually go back to Kanpur and maybe it is closer to your hometown, and you're connecting back to the roots, thanks to the COVID situation, almost everybody is now
Yes,
working
yes.
from home, right? So, but do you
Yeah,
think that it's a good trend, or are there any pitfalls? And I see positives and negatives both. So, what are your views on that?
exactly. Like at the same time, like COVID has closes many doors. People are saying because of COVID we lose lost days, because of this company has closed down. But at the same time, if we see that COVID has opened so many doors, like so many opportunities, and the complete new way of living the life. We have never thought like we will do this, we'll do that. And in fact, like selector sub is also, I mean, we can say that it got generated because of COVID or something like that. So so many like new companies came out, so many new different kind of jobs came because of COVID. So a lot of good opportunity as well, and it has showed us the way that we would have never thought of, like we can live this way as well.
Yeah,
Like who have thought like 100% IT can work from home. In
yeah,
fact, many companies decided that like, we will go 100% full time work from home, because they found like, okay, in office they were like 9 to 6 only, but from home they are like 24 by 7 available.
yeah, yeah.
So so
Correct.
that's
Correct.
another
Yeah,
opportunity.
that's a
Actually
norm. That's a now new norm. Very true. So
yes.
Sanjay, my last question to you. I don't want to take a lot of time at late night, so late hour in the night. Now, the last question is very simple, and since this would be viewed by all the people, developers and testers, and so many testers, since we'll be publishing it out. So, what are the current technology trends that the new age testers should be aware of? We just want to hear your opinion on that.
Yes. So I mean, technologies and trends like keep coming on. Trends like in on Twitter, every hour
Yeah,
it used to change. So definitely, like actually these days, everybody whenever we talk, they everyone talks about AI ML. So that is another like norms or trends, you can say, like everybody is talking AI ML ML. So yes, that is another thing. But in if we talk about like which programming language, which coming on like coming up front and really good job. So Java script I found really found people are loving, and it has like really got good jobs opportunity and a lot of good things in this, and a lot more scopes are there for learning, and good money and everything is there. And in fact, like interesting field, a lot of opportunity in automation. So different technologies like new tools and API automation APIs are coming in. So things are there, but it depends at the same time, because I cannot answer straightforward.
yeah,
I would say like one technology or one programming language. Reason being said that, and then people start thinking, no, it depends on that. So everything depends.
yeah.
We cannot say that because if I would say like just one more minute I will take. Like people
So
say that
take as much
testers
time
as
as you want.
because we say that in fact we all heard that tester has less pay jobs, but at the same time I found like people where people are getting more salary as a tester than developers. So it all depends. So same thing, like my belief always, whenever any fresher, my family member, my junior brother, sister, my cousins ask that which technology has the better package, which field should we go. Coming from different stages of my life and different technologies, what I have seen, that coming from a background where my parents were not literate, they were not like graduated and all, and nobody was in a job from my family. Then there I studied, then I came in chemical engineering, then I came in IT, became associate system engineer in IBM, then developer, then tester, and then uh, SDAT, then creator. So it's always depends like what you create. It's not about the technologies, or don't run behind the technologies, or don't run in whichever field, in whichever stage you are, in whichever job you are, give your 100%, you will be
Yeah,
getting more than that. So it's not like I will learn JavaScript and I will be like, okay, I'm the king now. I will be getting the hell lot of like 50 or 1 crore job. Not like that. If you will not work in JavaScript as well, you will be out of the market. If you will not work in testing, you will be out of the market. If you work in testing, you might be become like anybody. You can be a CEO of any company. If you are not working as a developer, you might get out of the job. You won't be getting the job. So it's not about the technology. It's not about the like what role you are in. It's about what you will be, how much percentage you will be giving in your job, in your life, in whichever stage you are. So it's always like everything is good. Every field has good money, good everything. Like I work in IBM in mainframe. People say, what mainframe you are working? And like it doesn't have any future, it doesn't have anything. Same in the same project, people are earning a lot of money. They are on site, they are sitting in US, they got bangla, everything. So every field, every technology always has money. It up to you how much you can encash out of that. Yeah.
Very well said. I think Sanjay, this is one of the most wonderful things that you have shared with all the people. I completely agree. Some of the times we don't make our own destiny. Destiny is actually destiny. So
Yes,
I
yes.
have similar experience, and I completely concur and agree with whatever you have said. Just get your hands and feet wet into what area you are in, and it will lead you to the best of the possible situations, and you can make your own
Exactly.
success out of it. So
Yeah.
with that, Sanjay, it was amazing chit chat, a small one. Maybe we'll get a little more chance to talk to you a little
Yeah,
later, and
definitely.
we'll see more locator challenges and more challenges that we can design together. Looking forward for more such
Definitely.
stuff. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Sanjay.
so much.
Yeah,
Yeah, looking forward to our event.
yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you,
Thank
Aditya.